how to download and install DJI Go mobile app. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The mobile application of DJI Go cannot be found on your Google Play Store. So in order to download it first, you need to open up your Google application. After opening up, you have to tap on the search bar and search for DJI Go download. Soon after searching, you'll be able to see the search results. So you have to tap on the first option, DJI Go Download Center. It will take a few seconds to load and you'll be able to see the download Android APK option at the center. So you have to simply tap on that. And at the button, you have to simply tap on download. And you can see the pop-up notification. The app is downloading on my device. It will take a few minutes depending upon your internet connection. And here you can see the download has been completed. Now in order to install, you have to simply tap on the downloaded file, or you can also go to your file and from over here you can choose for downloads. And you'll be able to see the app you have just downloaded. So in order to install it, you have to simply tap on the app and there will be install option popped up on your device. You have to simply tap on install and after a few minutes it will be installed on your device. And after that you can use the DJI Go app on your mobile. So by following this simple step, you can download and install DJI Go mobile app. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.